I've been scoring. Cheap dress, bore me. Blah blah, you bore me. Caution, warning. I've been scoring. I've been scoring. I've been scoring. Caution, warning.
What is going on, y'all? It's your boy, it's your man, it's Joby, and I'm bringing y'all a brand new video. What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while, and to the subscribers that have been on my channel, or to the ones who have found me through Threadbeast, guys, I know you guys are excited for this one. This is another premium unboxing. I haven't done one of these on my channel in a little bit. Let's get back to grinding. Let's get back to unboxing. But if you're new to my channel, you haven't seen a Threadbeast unboxing from me just yet, we do things here a little bit different at Joby Vlogs. Yes, not only do we unbox the clothes, we also try them on. Let you guys pretty much see how the clothes look on me. I haven't opened it yet at all. Man, I have scissors. What am I doing? This box, I'm not gonna lie, it actually feels kind of heavy. We just cut the sticker right now. It feels kind of heavy. What is inside? Before I unbox this, before I do, hit that subscribe button. And if you could hit that like button too, just because I asked y'all, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for just being here. So guys, let's unbox this. Here we are. You guys get to see what's inside first. Wow, this is probably the neatest package I've ever seen. Guys, let's pull off the first thing I see, which looks like a pair of pants. All right, here we are, guys. And we're starting off with some pants. We are starting off, oh, no way. No, I fuck with these already. These are some clean, black, I think, what do you call these? But like khakis, but black, and like they have the, I don't know what to call these, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The things that like kind of tying around your ankle, which is like necessary in a lot of pants, but this, I just love these pants. I love the style of these pants, and I finally have them in black. So this is great. This is a great addition to the wardrobe. Thank you so much, Threadbeast. So I'm pretty happy. And this is real, guys. I pay for it myself. Threadbeast does not send me the clothes at all, and I do this, you know, 100% honest, and I've been honest this whole time. I don't cap about nothing. That's not who I am, right? So that's okay. All right, guys, so I am holding another shirt in my hand. It's a light blue. I really like the color. And I think it's another, is it a large? I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does say large up there, and it does say medium right there. I got played. But yeah, guys, it's an Arbor Day shirt. I do have one of these, and I really like the last one. This one seems to be a long tee style, so I'm definitely gonna wear this, because these are my favorite types of shirts. But yeah, guys, so that and those pants, great job so far, Threadbeast. I am seeing a shirt I know I'm not gonna like, so I'm gonna pull that out right now. I swear I think they sent me this before, and they probably haven't, right? It's probably looks something like this. I'm not gonna wear this at all. I mean, I'll try it on to see how I look in it, but I doubt that I'll like it. It's from Staple. It's got a pigeon on there. I've never heard of this company. This is something I usually show off in the beginning of my unboxings because it's usually on top. But this time it was hidden underneath the clothes. This is a free package giveaway they give in every box that you do buy. The rules are right here. You guys could do this yourselves and get yourself a free package. Feel free to pause the video right now, see what you gotta do, find out what you gotta do to get yourself a free box. It's totally worth it. Who wouldn't want free clothes? What? No. Alright, since I saw them, they actually sent me some Levi's. No freaking way. I got some Levi's in like probably the ugliest color I've ever seen jeans come in, right? I don't know, who knows. This is not me, but it might actually look good on me, and I'm judging way too quickly, right? These are some, I guess you would call them a faded gray or a faded, yeah, it's a faded gray, barely gray because it's more white in it, but yeah. These are Levi jeans. I'm shocked. I've never got nothing from Levi from Threadbeast, so this is definitely cool. This is definitely cool. It's a name brand that people actually do know. If you guys do care about that, I mostly care about looking good, so I don't care where the clothes come from. Even though I do wear a lot of name brand. Not from like initial glance, I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I can't say I'm giving Threadbeast an L with this one. Here we are. Oh, they finally. Oh my gosh, this is unreal. For you guys who have been watching my Threadbeast videos, they have sent me long socks every single time. And maybe the person who styles my clothes watches my videos. He just finally realized that, hey, this dude does not like his long socks. Let's send him some ankle socks. And they hooked it up. Threadbeast actually hooked it up with some ankle socks. Because I don't wear long socks. I just don't. So thank you so much, Threadbeast, for y'all listening, I guess. I mean, if you guys did watch my video, that would be insane. But thank you. Here we are. We got another shirt, right? I haven't even seen it. You guys are looking at it first. But I just noticed there's a dog. I think I'm gonna hate this shirt. Alright, let me see. Oh, it says Empire. Dog eat dog since 2010. I could throw this shirt in the trash right now. What is this garbage? You'll never catch me wearing this, probably even to sleep. I just can't be seen in this. That's just my opinion. I just do not like this shirt. I don't like what's on this shirt. It makes no sense to me and it's pointless. So, not a fan of this shirt at all. Okay, and I think this is the final item in the box other than the Threadbeast sticker. But yes, this is the final item in the box. It is another Arbor item, but I'm not complaining. This might actually look good with those jeans. I really like this sweater. I really do. It's gonna complete today's unboxing. However, I still have the cinematic shots coming up for y'all, so you guys get to see how the clothes actually look on me. Before I do let y'all leave, make sure you hit this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this montage. Let me know what you guys think about the clothes down below. I'll see you guys in just a minute.
I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning, I've been.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Threadbeast unboxing. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like, share it with your friends, tell your grandma about it, tell anybody about it. I would appreciate it so much. And guys, I'm on my way to 6,000 subscribers, so if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you wanted to get personal with me, or if you had any questions about the Threadbeast unboxings, or anything in life, or you need some advice on something, feel free to follow my Instagram right over here. It's popping up on my right, @_Joby. Message me, guys, DM me. I will reply back right away, trust me. Or maybe not right away, but I will reply as soon as I can, and I'd love to have a conversation with y'all. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. It's your boy. Oh, I called it a vlog. Thank you so much for watching today's unboxing. It's your boy. It's your man. It's Gewie. And I'm going out.